Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding platform trucks that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Flatbed folding hand truck. This is a compact, portable hand truck designed for versatility and ease of use. One standout feature is its enhanced 6-wheel design, which includes 2 fixed front wheels and 4 swivel wheels. These wheels are made of tough TPE material, ensuring wear resistance and quiet operation, perfect for environments like offices, libraries, and hospitals. The cart also comes with 2 elastic ropes for securing items during transport, making it a great option for carrying items of varying sizes. The build quality is solid, with a lightweight frame that weighs only 6.5 pounds but can handle up to 500 pounds of load. The adjustable platform is a unique feature that adds flexibility, while the foldable design ensures easy storage when not in use. However, the smaller platform dimensions, 17-inch by 13 inches, might feel restrictive for users with larger items to transport. The Flatbed hand truck is ideal for frequent travelers or those with limited storage space. While it excels in portability and quiet operation, the relatively smaller load-bearing surface and lightweight construction might not be a perfect fit for heavy-duty tasks. Overall, it's a practical choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-store option for lighter loads. Coming in at number 4 is the Tidy Palm upgraded foldable pushcart dolly. This model is built with strength and durability in mind, boasting an impressive 880-pound weight capacity. Its solid, thickened steel construction and 5-inch TPR rubber wheels make it a reliable option for heavy-duty tasks. The wheels are designed to reduce friction and noise, ensuring smooth and quiet operation even on rough terrain. The collapsible design allows you to fold down the padded handle, making it compact and easy to store. With a platform size of 35.8 inches by 22.62 inches, it provides ample space for transporting bulky items like furniture, boxes, or garden supplies. The 360-degree swivel rear wheels enhance maneuverability, which is a big plus when navigating tight spaces. However, at 22 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some other models, which could be a consideration for those prioritizing portability. This cart is perfect for industrial use, workshops, and warehouses where its high weight capacity truly shines. While it may be overkill for smaller, everyday tasks, the durability and performance make it a standout option for heavy-duty applications. That said, the slightly higher price tag and heavier weight might deter casual users. At number 3, we have another excellent option from Tidy Palm, the 660 pounds capacity upgraded foldable pushcart dolly. This model strikes a balance between strength and portability, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use. The cart is equipped with 4-inch polyurethane wheels for smooth, noise-free operation, and it's capable of handling rough terrain with ease. Design-wise, the cart is compact and foldable, with a padded handle that can be folded flat for easy storage. The platform measures 28.7 inches by 18.5, offering plenty of space for a variety of items, from household goods to office supplies. At 16.12 pounds, it's lighter than some heavy-duty models, which makes it easier to maneuver. However, while the 660-pound capacity is impressive, it's slightly less than the 880-pound model, so it may not be ideal for extremely heavy loads. This cart is a versatile and durable option for homes, garages, and small warehouses. Its noise-free operation and compact design make it a reliable choice for those who need a solid, mid-range platform truck. The only downside is that it may not be suited for extremely heavy or oversized items compared to higher capacity models. At number 2, we have the heavy-duty foldable pushcart dolly from Lifetime Appliance Parts. Don't let the 330-pound weight capacity fool you. This cart is a powerhouse when it comes to everyday utility. It's built with alloy steel for durability and features a foldable design that allows you to collapse it in just 3 seconds. The compact design makes it perfect for small spaces, like car trunks, garages, or workshops. The platform measures 28.75 inches, x 18.75 inches, and is supported by four 4-inch swivel caster wheels. These wheels are larger than those of many competitors, allowing for smooth maneuverability across uneven surfaces. The textured platform surface prevents items from sliding off during transport, and the padded handle ensures a comfortable grip. At 16.84 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, though its lower weight capacity may limit its use for heavier tasks. This cart is ideal for household use, small businesses, and light commercial work. The combination of durability, portability, and ease of use makes it a fantastic option for those who need a reliable dolly for lighter loads. However, if you're looking for a true heavy-duty solution, you might want to explore carts with higher weight capacities. Finally, at number 1, we have the MaxWorks 80877 Foldable Platform Truck Push Dolly. This is the top choice for its outstanding combination of durability, capacity, and price. With a weight capacity of 660 pounds and a platform size of 35.85 inches by 24 inches, this dolly is perfect for heavy-duty tasks in homes, offices, and warehouses. The cart features two 4-inch swivel casters and two rigid wheels, providing smooth mobility and excellent stability. The build quality is a highlight, with a tubular steel handle and a textured platform surface that prevents cargo from slipping off. The rubberized padded grip on the handle ensures comfort during use, and the handle conveniently folds flat for compact storage. At 27.4 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some competitors, but this added weight contributes to its robust construction and stability. Priced at $67.99, the MaxWorks 80877 offers exceptional value for its features. It's an all-around performer, suitable for both professional and personal use. The only minor drawback is its slightly heavier frame, but this is a small trade-off for the incredible performance and durability it delivers. If you're looking for the best folding platform truck, this is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.